Hey, Kayla and Ryan. So this is your website. Looking at it, looks pretty nice. One thing I did notice, you guys have a fair amount of content. You have 1,098 words, which is good. That's gonna help you. Your competition that I found had a little more, so I would add more content to your website. But you guys have a fair amount, so that's actually a good thing. Google loves content. It helps you rank. It helps Google find more keywords. So you're gonna have a lot of keywords because you have more content on your page. Also, you can, you want to have keywords organically in there, which I believe you guys do, and you don't want a keyword stuff. Keyword stuffing would be like just throwing a whole bunch of keywords back to back without like any relevant content with them. Google's smart; it can see that, and it knows what keyword stuffing is. Um, Next thing would be these images. Let's see what they're saved as. So you want this to be saved with the keyword. You don't want, it's just an opportunity that's missed if you don't do it. So you want roof repair Minneapolis or roofers Minneapolis or Minneapolis roofers. Basically, whatever keyword you want to rank for, and you can do that for each image on here. It's just a missed opportunity if you don't do it. A lot of people actually don't do it because they don't know about it. Um, but just something I noticed. Let's go to Google, type in roof repair Minneapolis. So first there'd be ads up here. I have an ad blocker, so I don't see any of those. But then there's the GMB, and then there's the organic ranking. So grabbing this top guy. Looking at him, this is a back page, but he has a lot of content on here, and his back page is ranking pretty good because of that. Obviously, it's ranking #1 for roof repair Minneapolis. He has 1,515 words on there. So he's got a lot of, he's got a lot of content on his website, and it's going to give him a lot of keywords, and it's going to help him rank. Even if he might not have the best website, it's still going to help him rank. He doesn't save his images correct either. I didn't think he did. A lot of people don't. But yeah, it's just a missed opportunity if you don't save your images correctly. Let's go over to Ahrefs though. It's a cool tool I like to use. Plugging you guys in here. You guys have a decent UR. Your DR though is pretty bad. Is not that good. Um, it looks like you've just slowly gained backlinks. You have 916 backlinks and 71 referring domains. You got 444 keywords you're ranking for, and you got 37 people to your website a month. So it's not too bad. We can come in here and see what keywords you're ranking for. Let's see. So roof repair Minneapolis right there, you're #4, so that you get 6 people a month from that. It's got an 8 KD, so it's not too hard to rank for. There's only 60 people that search that a month though, which it's not bad. I mean, if you get up to #1 spot, you'd probably get in, maybe 20 people a month to your website. You get about a third, and yeah, 20 people is a third, unless my math is completely garbage right now. I don't know. You can also see what people are paying per cost per click up here. $30 a click on that one versus 25 on this one. Just having the MN at the end of it, you can save yourself by $5 a click. But I mean, there's even better ones down here. Here's your flat roof repair Minneapolis, 20 and 1. And no one's doing any ads for that keyword there, so you could pay $1 and get that. But yeah, so this is what you're ranking for. Let's go check out the competition. So he doesn't have that good of UR. His DR is better, but it's definitely beatable. He's got 1,520 backlinks though, and 380 referring domains. So it's going to take some time to beat him with the backlinks. But really, backlinks are not created equal. So you can come in here and see what backlinks he has. Go after the good ones, and I always hit the wrong button there. It's just easier to see when I do this. You want to go after high DR and high UR. You don't want to go for the spammy low number ones. And you want them to be relevant to industry. You don't want to go after fast food or something that's not relevant to construction and roofing. It just gives you the most power. Google's smart. It knows what's a good backlink and what's not. You can come in here and see what this guy's backlink is. It looks to be either a blog or a guest post right there. So this photo was his. He sent it to them. I'm not sure if he paid for the advertisement because this guy also is on here. and so is that person. But it might just be photo credit, and the guy they might have just it could be as simple as contacting this place and sending me like, here's a photo. Could you give me a backlink? You could ask them how people get backlinks from them. They might pay them, or they might just have to get one from sending a photo. It might be that simple, and that would be a pretty easy thing to do, and you get a decent backlink from that. Other ways you can get backlinks, you can get them from blogs, blog commenting, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, basically anything that will link back to your website. But again, you want to make sure you stay away from the spammy ones. You want to make sure you keep ones that are get ones that are relevant to your industry. Let's go check out this guy's keywords. So it looks like chimney repair Minneapolis. That's his moneymaker right there. He gets 20 people a month. It's 3 KDs, so if you want chimney repair, very easy to rank for. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. If you want to do ice dam removal in Minneapolis, 1 KD, 50 people search that a month. Roof repair Minneapolis, MN, that's 30 and 10. See gutters, if you do gutters, 106. What else is there? Roof repair Minneapolis, 60 and 8. If you want to do handyman services, there's 107. Gutter installation, 60 and 1. Yeah, you can just come in here and see the ones you like, go after everything that you guys do, and what keywords you want to rank for on Google. And you can check out St. Paul. You can check out any area you want in any industry you want. I believe there's a pretty good one if I type in Maple Grove, if he's ranking for it. He is not ranking for it. I'm going to go here, and I think I saw a pretty good keyword for this sometime today. Nope. It wasn't Maple Grove. I can't remember what the keyword was, but I could find it later. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the GMB. So you can come in here. I say you guys had one. You want to make sure you have it 100% complete. You don't want to skip steps. And then you want to add as many photos as you can. So photos would be the content for the GMB. You want to make sure they're saved correctly, and then you want to upload them. And that'll just help you rank for your GMB. Next would be citations. You want to make sure your name, so citations are just directories. You want to make sure your name on your GMB and on the directory are the same, the phone numbers are the same, and the location's the same. Putting in here, you have 44 citations. This guy has 55. You can come in here and see what ones he has. They'd be like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages. You can get them off Facebook, Pinterest. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for more. There's hundreds, thousands of them out there. I didn't go after them. It's time consuming, but it's something you can definitely do. But yeah, and then you can start ranking for that. Obviously, you guys, your location, you're in Excelsior versus Minneapolis. You can go get a new GMB in Minneapolis, St. Paul, wherever you want to go, or you can just stick to Excelsior and just add more citations there if you wanted. But yeah, hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching. I would love to get some feedback on this video and what you thought. Yeah, hopefully you have a good rest of the day, and thanks for watching.